Hi everyone, my name is Amrita Naina from Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering. Today I opted a topic of microwave frequencies and microwave system from the subject microwave and antenna. The subject code is 18EC63. Now let us discuss the topic. So firstly let me explain what microwave frequencies actually are. As we all know from the electromagnetic spectrum, there are different frequencies, and for different frequencies we have different um, waves like radio waves, microwaves, UV rays, infrared rays, X-rays, gamma rays, etc. So here we are going to discuss about microwave frequencies. So the term microwave frequencies are generally used for those wavelengths measured in centimeters, roughly from 30 centimeter to 1 mm. That is from 1 gigahertz to 300 gigahertz. So here we are mentioning the wavelength and also the frequency. The wavelength is 30 centimeters to 1 mm. These are called the microwave waves. Then 1 to 300 gigahertz is the frequencies of the microwave. So however, microwave really indicates the wavelengths in the micron ranges. Which means 1 millionth of a meter. So 1 micron is nothing but 1 millionth of a meter. Now this means that the microwave frequencies are up to infrared and visible light regions. So we can include microwave frequencies, that means they coincide with the infrared and visible light rays also. In this revision, microwave frequencies refer to those from 1 gigahertz up to 106 gigahertz. We are only discussing about 1 gigahertz to 106 gigahertz. Now let us see the bands of or the microwave frequency bands. So here we have two columns, that are the band design and the frequency range in gigahertz. So the band design where HF band is 0.003 to 0.03 gigahertz, VHF band, that is 0.03 to 0.3 gigahertz. Now here HF means high frequencies. Here VHF is very high frequency. Very high frequency band ranges from 0.03 to 0.3 gigahertz, and ultra high frequency band ranges from 0.3 to 1 gigahertz. We have L, S, C, X, K, mu, K and Ka bands, and also millimeter band and sub-millimeter band. Here L band ranges from 1 to 2 gigahertz, S band ranges from 2 to 4 gigahertz, C band ranges from 4 to 8 gigahertz, X band ranges from 8 to 12 gigahertz, K mu band ranges from 12 to 18 gigahertz, K band ranges from 18 to 27 gigahertz, Ka band ranges from 27 to 40 gigahertz, millimeter band ranges from 40 to 300 gigahertz, and sub-millimeter band ranges greater than 300 gigahertz. Now let us see where these bands are usually used. Now when we are discussing about the high frequency bands, high frequency band is most useful in short wave radio applications as well as aviation, air to ground communications. Very high frequency bands for FM broadcasting, television broadcasting, military and local mobile radio transmissions. Ultra high frequency The most common frequencies used by fire and public safety are from 406 megahertz to 512 megahertz. L band is used for military telemetry, GPS, mobile phones, amateur radios, and the S band is used for weather radar, surface ship radar, some communication satellites, microwave ovens, microwave devices or communications, radio devices, etc. And the C band is used for long distance radio telecommunications. X band is used for satellite communications, radar, terrestrial broadband, space communications, amateur radio, molecular rotational spectroscopy. Ku band is used for satellite communications and molecular rotational spectroscopy. Then the K band is used for radar, satellite communications, astronomical observations, automotive radars. Ka band, it is used for the radar, satellite communications, astronomical observations, automotive radars. Millimeter band is used in international telecommunication, and the sub-millimeter band is used in physics to study materials in high magnetic fields. Now let us look at the diagram or basic diagram of the microwave system. A microwave system contains a transmitter subsystem and a receiver subsystem. The transmitter subsystem will contain a source. The transmitter subsystem will contain a waveguide, transmitter antennas, and the receiver subsystem will contain a receiving antenna and waveguide termination. The source can be a klystron or a traveling wave tube. A microwave system normally consists of the transmitter subsystem, including a microwave oscillator, waveguides, and a transmitting antenna, and a receiver subsystem that includes a receiving antenna, transmission line or waveguide, a microwave amplifier, and a receiver. The figure here shows a typical microwave system. In order to design a microwave system and conduct a proper test of it, an adequate knowledge of the components involved is essential. Besides microwave devices, the text therefore describes microwave components such as resonators, cavities, microstrip lines, hybrids, and microwave integrated circuits. Thank you.